Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about proportion probability. So now I will show you how to answer. First, before we calculate about answer A to answer E, we need to find about the total in here. So we sum this number in here to find the total in here. Then we sum three numbers on this way to find the total in here. So for this one, we have 38. This one, we have 33. This one, we have 19. Now, we sum three numbers in this row. So you got about 45. We sum three numbers on this row. We got about 34. And the last one, that's about 11. Later that we sum three numbers together, or you sum three numbers together in here, you still got about 90 days. Now, question A. What proportion of days in the previous 3 months have we rent? So have we rent, that's it in here. So we just sum three number in here. And then we divide by the total days, 90. And this one approximate about 0.1222. And this is the answer of question A. Question B. What proportion of days in the previous 3 months did the forecaster predict heavy rain for? This is about predicted heavy rain. So we need to sum three numbers together, and you got about 19. 19 divided by 90. So we will have about 0.2101. And this is the answer for question B. Question C. What proportion of days where the forecaster predicted no rain actually have light rain? So we have predicted no rain in here, but there is 12 days with light rain. So that means this is about given condition. So we will have number 12, we divide by 38. So this one, we will have about 0.3158. And this is the answer for question C. Question D. What proportion of days in the previous 3 months did the forecaster predict correctly? So that's this number in here. Because predicted no rain, but that actually no rain in here. So we have 23 days. Similar for predicted light rain, we have light rain. So we have 14. Similar for this one. So we just sum three numbers together. So we have 23 plus 14 plus 5. We have 42. We divide by 90. So we will have about 0.4600. 167. And the last one, what proportion of days in the previous 3 months did the forecaster predict incorrectly? About this one, we just use about 1 minus the proportion of correct. So that should be about 0.4667. So we got the final answer. That is about 0.5330. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.